This is also an audio test, audio test, audio test. All the settings are the same. Hero 11, Hero 10. This is also an audio test. An audio test, an audio test. 1080p. Hero 11, Hero 10. Stabilization test. Hero 11 is on auto boost. Hero 10 is on high, hyper smooth stabilization. Right now I'm walking in a forest. Now shaking the cameras a little bit. Hero 11 auto boost. Hero 10 hyper smooth stabilization. Okay, running again. Fast running. Now I stopped. Completely still. Audio test, 1080p, 30 frame FPS, natural color. All settings are identical, except stabilization is auto boost on Hero 11 and high or hyper smooth on Hero 10. If there's any difference in stabilization. Testing the colors, the brightness. And running again. And completely still. And running again. Fast running. Everything is shaking like hell. It's not very stable. $5.3K. Hero 11 is on active stabilization. Hero 10 on hyper smooth, no boost. This is just walking. We'll test with the Hero 10 on boost after that one. Running now. Neutral color mode. And also an audio test. and completely still now. This is exhausting. $5.3K, 60 FPS. Hero 10 is on boost, highest boost. Hero 11, auto boost. Let's see the difference now. Now walking, it's pretty stable. Slow run. Fast running. And walking. And now walking, now running. Now standing still. Okay. Major difference is battery life. Both started this test with 82%. I can see on the front screen that the Hero 11 is a little bit wider. Probably because the auto boost stabilization, but battery life much better on a GoPro Hero 11. All the settings are exactly the same. Both screen dim after 1 minute. And the Hero 11 is on 56% and the Hero 10 is on 36%, so 20% difference. Again, they both started at 82%. Exactly the same test. I didn't shoot with any of them separately between the tests. So major battery advantage to the Hero 11. 20% is a lot. Okay, so that's pretty much concludes my test, at least for that scenario. Daytime in this forest, running and shooting different resolutions, and you will be the judge. I think the Hero 11 should be better. All the scene shots on natural color, which is the default one. I usually shoot on flat, but to test out the color difference, the color sign difference, if there is, I should shoot in natural color and not in flat, because it will be less obvious on flat color, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will make another test with 4K resolution. 4K 60, neutral color, audio test, see how the difference. Stabilization, it's auto boost on the Hero 11 and boost on the Hero 10, which is maximum stabilization you can have on both cameras. Shooting at 4K 60 which is excellent resolution and frames for action, running, whatever. I tested the 5.3K before. Now we'll test the 4K to see if there's a difference in quality between the two. Okay, now walking. Now slight running. I'm letting the handle where both camera are set to be quite free, so it shakes quite a lot, so I don't hold it quite free to test the stabilization. So now faster running. I'm letting the handle now shaking it, and now completely stable. How does it look like? The Hero 10 is probably much more cropped because of the boost mode, and the Hero 11 should be wider. I don't normally use boost on Hero 10 because the normal one is pretty much doing the job excellent. So this way you have good stabilization and you avoid the crop. But we'll see the difference on maximum stabilization. That's it for this test. See the color difference, brightness, all exact same settings.